Yeah.
Okay, so brother, can I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I just share my screen. Yes, brother. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Look here. You
Mm.
already checked the keyword list.
Yes.
No worry.
Mhm.
I use some dollar like start from, and also I use no appointment oil change, no need appointment oil changer. And you can ask me why I use the little headline, because in the Google Ads here is option 30 character. Okay, because I use the little headline because people don't have time to read the long headline.
Yeah.
That's why I focus on little headline. they
Mm-hmm.
they just watch and think what I provide.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my
Mm-hmm.
philosophy.
Mm.
And I part one is not Paris, and one ad group is Alessandro, or
And
this
some
is
minute.
Sunmate, and one
Mm-hmm.
is Highway, and the
Mm-hmm.
other is Sheet 2. I already give you the sheet.
Mm-hmm.
And the other is Chazalco. Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and Chazalco, I focus on semi-truck. You can see
Mm-hmm.
semi-truck oil change near me, oil
Mm-hmm.
change for semi-truck, diesel semi-truck oil, oil change on semi-truck. I mean, these keywords I focus on for Chazalco.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And this is the headline, and I set up the campaign in here. This is your
Mm-hmm.
ads account. Look
Mm-hmm.
here, speed lab, and this campaign I set up oil change. I write down here the date,
Mm-hmm.
29/8/2024.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I mean date, starting date I write down, because when you see the number, you can you think this is Mehdi account. Okay,
Mm.
so if I open this one, you can see here, just it's loading, hold on. Here is
Mm.
two ad group. Okay,
Mm.
one is semi-truck oil change, one is
Mm-hmm.
oil change. Oil change is, it's mean this one is this four ads, sheet
Mm-hmm.
one,
Mm-hmm.
north. Yes, three ads I set up
Mm-hmm.
for this ad
Mm-hmm.
group, and
Mm-hmm.
this ad group only one ads. And if I
Okay.
explain again, just look here, I select this one, semi-truck first, and if I click here the ads,
Mm-hmm.
look here in semi-truck there is one ads. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and if you want to see what is in these ads, just click here. You can see, I mean, the inside, what is inside. You can, this is loading, this is loading, hold on. Oh no, oh look here,
Mm-hmm.
the headline, the all headline is here.
Mm-hmm.
Look here, 15-minute semi-truck oil change,
Okay,
cheapest
so
oil change.
okay, sorry, brother. For this one, can you change the price for the
Oh, for semi-truck this is not 15 minute, right?
no, it's not 15 minutes. Do 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, I will edit
Mhm.
before you. No worry. 30
Yeah.
minute.
And then the price is different too.
Oh, this is not 30. Oh, okay, thank you.
Mm. Start from
Start from
yeah, start from 99.99.
99. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. That's why I joined the meet, because
yeah.
yeah, 39, and this one also 30. And the another thing is okay. And also I
Mm-hmm.
select the location insertion. Look here. This is the
Mm-hmm.
location city, second bracket, and Chazalco, because
Yeah, and
every, yeah,
and this is local, right? Local searches.
yeah, local city. And look here,
Mm.
every city like ads, the ad show like this. Look here, we can see the preview. This is the number also they can call, because I
No,
add the call extension.
no, change the number. Yeah.
This is number one thing.
Mm-hmm.
And the other thing is, this is our location name, right?
Yes.
If I search, look here, I just click the advance. If I write here, uh, Los Angeles. Okay, look
Los
here.
Angeles.
Oh, sorry, it's a mistake. Look here, here is suggested Los Angeles, California, right? We
Mm-hmm.
can target, include, we can exclude. But
No, that's too
e-
far.
yeah, but if we search our location, there is no showing, because it's a area, short area,
Okay,
right?
okay, okay, yeah.
So we should to target by radius.
Mm.
So if I go here, look here, I target the I target the 5 location by radius. You can tell
Mm-hmm.
me why this is overlap, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, brother, overlap, this is not a matter, because there
Mm-hmm.
is no option to remove the overlap. When we run the ads, we
Mm.
get more irrelevant click. Okay. This is the system. First 10 to 15 days, this is the learning data. But we can add some negative keywords, because we tell the Google, please don't show our ads if any people search this type. Okay.
Mm.
Like YouTube, some people search oil in YouTube, work, oil job, white paper, what, videos, school. If any people search oil change job,
Mm-hmm.
so we cannot show before these people our ads, right? Look
Mm-hmm.
here,
Mm-hmm.
here is a
Mm-hmm.
also job,
Mm-hmm.
because we cannot give the job.
Mm-hmm.
That's why this I just add before you. Look,
Mm-hmm.
ads, they land this landing page, I mean website. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if they call from here, so
Mm-hmm.
who can pick up this call?
My technicians.
This call button is your technician number, sure?
No, if they call this number, the shop, it will ring at the shop.
Brother, I just again ask you the question. Okay. No worry.
Mm-hmm.
When people click our ads, okay,
Mm-hmm.
after click, they land this landing page,
Mm-hmm.
and this page is showing like this. So
Mm-hmm.
if they call from here,
Mm-hmm.
I mean from website,
Mm-hmm.
so who is guys pick up the call?
Yeah, they're calling the shop.
Shop. This
Yes.
is the shop number.
Yes, it depends on the shop.
Oh, this page your directly your shop, right?
Yes.
So
You're
I
talking
found,
about this number, right?
yeah, I just talk you. Some people call from website, not directly the number.
I know.
So who pick up this call, because this is a different number,
Which location is that?
brother? In your
Okay.
website, there is
Okay.
only one oil changer page. There is no
Mm-hmm.
different locations.
Okay. So you say when they click on the service and then they click on colors now.
Yeah, or sometimes they direct click from here call.
Mm-hmm.
So when who is people call pick up the call?
The shop.
The shop.
Yeah.
So is it okay for you? Some people call the directly shop,
Yes.
and these people can be from Chazalco, from highway, but they call directly for by this call button.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And the another thing is this call button is not working. Could you
It's not.
please check by phone?
Hmm?
Yeah, this call button is not link up any phone number.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure, brother, because I I see your website again and again, and I check all buttons.
You mean so
Look
this?
here,
Mm-hmm.
I just show you. When I look, please please check the mind in here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just see here.
Mm-hmm.
This is number. When I
Mm-hmm.
when I put the mouse in here, here is showing the number, right?
Mm-hmm.
When I put the mouse in this number is showing this there, right?
Mm-hmm.
When I put this location number, this number is also show in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But when I put the call us now, there is no number showing
Yeah.
because there is link up this page.
Yes.
Just
Hold
open
on.
this page.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, understand. When they click this link, then they call from here.
Mm.
Okay, it's fine.
Mm.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I like that.